Well, hi guys. Jake, you got me to wondering about this saw, so I come up here today to check it out. It is, in fact, an old Lumbard chainsaw. And it's kind of a strange one. This was my granddad's. He bought it, had it back in the mid-60s. It's the only saw I ever know of that he used. I don't know if it's a part or a date, but it's 11/61/68/11 made into this cast. So I don't know if that's when it was made or if that's a part number, but who knows. But I found out that the chain for this old home light, 240 home light, will fit on the drive sprocket. May not be exact, but it works. It fits it. Also, the chain off my 391 steel fits it also. Get it the right way. I don't know if it's the right one for it or not, but it seems to fit it pretty good. Biggest thing I'll see about getting a bar to fit it is it's got 3/8 bolts sticking out for the bar, which might be a problem. But I don't know for sure yet. But it says on it, gives for the mix for the fuel here. Whoops. And it where is it? Tells how to mix it. Use 30 weight motor oil and mix it with gasoline, and that's the oil it uses. Yeah, kind of a different saw for sure. Heavy. Has a toggle switch for on and off. I'm trying to remember if I think that's the oiler. That's the choke. Yeah. So, it's kind of a good size saw. Compared to a 240 home light. Put them side by side. Yeah, that's a heck of a difference in saws. But that Lumbard there, that's the only saw that I know of my granddad ever used. He could run this saw all day long, and he was 5'8" and might have weighed 100 pounds soaking wet, and he could take this saw and use it all day long. Dad or my uncles get a hold of the thing, they could run it for maybe 10-15 minutes at the most, and they had to put it down. It just wore them out because it's heavy and it vibrates. But you know, kind of is what it is. I'm just happy to have it back. Of course, you know, guard for it goes over here. But he didn't have the bar or the chain. Don't know what happened to him, so all I can do is match something up. But chain wise, that both of those, the home light and the steel chains, will fit that. I don't know if they're, you know, I have to get the really look into it with the saws and see what's what, but that's an old Lumbard chainsaw from the 60s or older. Don't really know. I have to do some checking on it and see what I can find out. But Jake, there it is in all of its glory. Something that you really don't see very often is them old chainsaws that they used years and years ago. But at any rate, everybody, we'll see you next time. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time, guys.